Nga nkolera mu kibuga Kampala bane ndi mu kuseeya ku nguudo z'ekibuga Kampala nsanze abantu ab'enjawulo nyumiddwa akawungeezi kange nze simanyi ggwe ali eyo ekintu kitambula kitya kakati mbadde ntambula ne ngwa ku ba student wano njagala babeeko ne be batugamba twogeremu akadde nga kana akakawungeezi sokojje kintu kiba kitya abazadde mutwala abaana mu day school ate olumu nga balina otambula olugendo okuva ku ssomero batuuke ewaka tebasanga buzibu. Nabagambye ngenda kutambula nga nseeyeeya kibuga kakati ngudde ku student ono soko tubulire tugenda kyusaamu ku Lungereza twogere kati ku Lungereza okitegedde sisobola sanga student ne sikyusaamu ku lulimi. Wama, how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
My name is Wani Alan.
Oh, Wanika Alan. I even have a big bro called Alan. Yes, Alan, how are you finding the day? First and foremost.
My day has been good, very good.
Oh, what is your class?
My class is senior 2.
Oh, your class is senior 2.
Yes.
So, don't you get hard time to travel from school to home at this time?
No, I get hard time because the traffic, some parents are running back home, they are taking back their parents home. So there is traffic, some vehicles are running so fast, crossing the road is very, very hard.
I see.
Yes.
So, you said you're in senior 2.
Yes.
In our years, senior 2s were very stubborn. They used to disturb teachers. Banange, I don't know. How is that school? How are the senior 2s at that school?
The senior 2s are just so calm.
Alan, are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, that is so good. Over you have that teacher who is always tough. You know, in every school, there is a teacher who is ever tough.
No, they are not so tough, but they just put strict laws on us.
Wow.
Yes.
So basically, I want you to address, by the time you come from school,
yes,
then reach home.
Yes.
Is the time favorable for you?
Yes, the time is favorable.
So you mean you leave school at what time?
I leave school at 5.
At 5?
Yes.
Then reach home at?
6.
At 6. Do you use any means of transport?
No, for me I use foot.
Hey. So you walk from school to home?
Yes.
Isn't it so far?
It's a bit far, but you know you have to face the struggles of that day.
I see.
Yes.
Okay, any good word for your fellow students watching us from every corner of the world?
The word that I would give to my fellow students is to keep reading books and stay on education, to abstain from boys like girls, do not involve in sex activities. Sex activities are so bad and they really distract girl child from education.
Even boy child?
Boys, you have to be so vigilant on these girls. Some girls come, sugar mummies, don't be distracted by them.
And even tell them that there is HIV.
There is HIV moving around.
Yeah.
Keep yourself safe. Don't engage yourself in sex. Don't try to buy those things, those women found on streets.
You mean there are those people who even buy them?
Yes, there are some boys. They say, hey, the other woman was so tough, like that nonsense. Thank
you so much for advising them. I think they will live a very, very good life. It has been nice meeting you, my dear. Do you have any platform? You know, we are in the media grown-up world.
Yes, I have any platform.
What is that platform? Tell them to follow you.
Follow me, I don't do content.
Hey, you don't do content.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm Benon Mukwaya. Thank you always for following us. Kale.